Hello fans and friends of D.Buzz, your microblog built on the Hive blockchain. Today we're here to talk about some updates we rolled out just yesterday on 5/18. First, I want to point out something really cool. We've been referring a lot of people to the Hive blockchain, and as of yesterday we have hit 418 referrals. These are people who directly used the D.Buzz referral link to come on in and sign up for a new account on Hive. And that's awesome. We've been averaging about 100 new users a month, and we hope in the next few months to up that number and keep increasing the amount of people we can refer onto the blockchain. One way we're going to do that is with the new update we rolled out to the D.Buzz system. It is currently being tested on next.d.buzz. If you go to your profile, you'll see down here you have a new link that says copy referral. This right here you can share this link on various social media platforms. And when people join the platform through your referral link, you'll be credited as the referral. And while we're still working out the back-end system, the person you refer should get an automatic delegation from D.Buzz so they can use the microblogging system without any worries of running out of resource credits. That was a big issue. Let's look at some of the other updates that have been going on. First, if you come in here to Buzz, this is something else you can notice now. When you start typing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, X. Hey, what's this button? It says draft. What the draft is now, let's say you have to check out something or you forgot some piece of information somewhere. You can close your window, and normally in the past, when you close that window, you would lose all that information. But now with the draft feature enabled, come back down, hit that buzz again, and your text is still there. Now that's pretty cool. That is advancement, and that is a good way to save your place, because I don't know about you guys, but when I click around I lose my place all the time and I gotta copy and paste stuff. So this right here is a lifesaver. The next thing I'm gonna look at is let's just copy and paste this a few times. Let's come in here and we're gonna paste this a few times into our system here. We're gonna keep pasting. If you notice down here next to the buzz button, a circle is getting filled up. This is a visual feedback for how many text characters you have left. Of course, we have 280 characters. So we're down here really close to the end. The circle looks filled up. We're almost there. What's this? We have 20 characters left. So now it'll give you a countdown as you're getting close to that final limit of max characters. And when you hit the max characters, it's at 0. So now when you get down to your last 20 characters, you'll know how much more you have left to say, or how much more you can say, which is awesome, right? I mean, this is another ease of use updates that can help make your experience on D.Buzz better. Lastly, I want to point out something else. We have ongoing development. It's still, as we mentioned here, hush hush at the moment. But one of our lead developers is working closely to add some really cool code to the Hive mind so that it can actually, I think, really push this platform forward to the next level, allowing more structure and stuff. But we will release more information about this soon. Just stay tuned for more updates about that. So again, this week we rolled out some really cool stuff. The countdown timer, which is right there, the draft feature, and of course one thing that I really appreciate is that now you can start referring people. You can start referring people onto D.Buzz. Just go to your profile, copy that link, drop it in anywhere in the any social media channels, send it to your friends. When they sign up through Hive Onboard, you will be credited for 5% of their rewards. That is something Hive Onboard set up. Of course, the user that you refer can go in there and turn off that feature if they want. They could remove you as a benefactor, but you'll still be credited for signing them up onto the platform. And hey, that's pretty cool, right? Bring your friends on, let them know. You can also then see the people you have referred by going there and seeing the names of all the different people you listed, which is pretty cool, and you can see what they're doing. So there you have it, some great updates from D.Buzz. Next week we're going to come back with some more stuff. We have a new developer just started last Thursday. Last week actually 2 new people joined the team, and they've been jumping into that code and wading through it like fishermen with the big yellow pants on out there in the streams doing some fly fishing. They're just wading out there, catching the bugs, catching the fish, and making changes to the platform. So stay tuned. More great stuff coming at you really soon. Thanks for being part of our community, and I guess as we are starting to call it now, the Swarm. So thanks for being part of the Swarm, and see you guys all next week for more exciting updates from D.Buzz. Signing off. Much love.